Welcome to Baby Cake Design Ideas 2023. I show you in this video how to make a baby cake design and make baby cake suggestion. If you are looking to for ideas your YouTube channel and centered around baby cakes, here are a few suggestions for creating engaging and entertaining content while ensure a safe respectful environment. Recipe tutorial: share step-by-step guides on how to bake and decorate baby cakes. Focus on different themes, flavor and techniques. Make the videos easy to follow and include helpful tips for beginners. Second, creative designs. Showcase unique and affordable designs for baby cakes. Experiment with various shapes and colors and decoration to make each cake stand out. Encourage viewers to try their hand at replicating the design and share their results. Dye baby cakes decoration and teach viewer how to create a cute personalized cake toppers, fondant decoration and edible accessories from baby cakes. Provide to instructions and materials. Collaborate with other YouTube local bakeries and specialize in baby cakes. Future guest appearance, join recipe creation and friendly challenges to add variety and the baby shower ideas. Create a content related to baby showers such as baby cakes, cake appearance ideas, gender reveal cakes, or cake design inspired by popular baby themes. Share tips or organizing and advice. Dedicate some episodes of answered viewer question about baby cakes, baking techniques, troubleshooting, and cake decor tips. Provide guidance on selecting appreciate appropriate behind the scenes offers and glimpse into the creative process of showing behind the scenes footage of cake baking. Decoring a planning for your videos. This can give your audience better engage with your audience. Encourage your viewer share their baby cakes creation with a through social media and emails. Future cakes of week segments where your showcase and reviews submission for your audience. This can foster sense of community and inspired other participate in the preparations and the safety to privacy children. If your future there in this video appropriate behind the scenes offers and glimpse into the creative process of showing behind the scenes footage of cake baking. Decoring a planning for your videos. This can give your audience better engage with your audience. Encourage your viewer share their baby cakes creation with a through social media and emails. Future cake